Hey guys, welcome back to the Makefile series. This is going to be a short video. As you can see, the Makefile is only 18 lines long, including the white space. So let's jump right into it. We want to cover logging. So this is useful when you're either trying to understand what your Makefile is doing or when you're debugging a broken Makefile. But essentially everything needs logs, and the way Makefile does logging is through three functions: info, warning, and error. We can see the differences. Let's run this here. So I'm going to run all, which is just going to build these three targets. And we see the three messages. So info, building target info, just prints out that one message. When we do it for warning, we also get two things. We get the file, the make file that printed it, and the line number inside of that file. So that's line 8 from here, line 8. And for error, we get that same information, but we also get 3 stars and a stop at the end, which is amazing, but that's not all. We also exit the Makefile program. So we have this info over here right after building target error, but this never gets printed out as it says, "You can't see me." So typically I use this if you're trying to build some target that doesn't make sense, or if something in the environment is broken. Now you can use these functions in the recipe, or you can use them directly in your Makefile, which I kind of skipped over it, but that's what I did over here. If you have an info line inside of your Makefile, it gets executed as make is reading that Makefile. So this line, this info line got printed first. It got printed before these targets, even though it's at the end of the Makefile. The reason that happened is because make read this entire Makefile. It executed the parts that it needed to execute, and then it said, all right, what is the user expecting? The user is expecting me to build all, which wants me to build info, warning, and error. And then it went out and it executed these guys. So that's why we see this in this order over here. Quick note, you can also use braces instead of parentheses, but I'll probably use braces throughout this series. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.